Hello all, welcome back. This is module number 3 and we were dealing with the chapter Evans tries an O-level written by Colin Dexter. So the protagonist of this story is a criminal named Evans who is staying in Oxford prison. So he is trying to attempt this exam called O-level or the ordinary level. So the securities have taken enough precautions and he is going to write the exam very soon. So Jackson asks Evan to clean himself up and to remove his filthy hat. But hitting on a tiny emotional chord hidden in Jackson, Evans finally manages to retain his filthy bobble hat by claiming it to be his lucky charm. So Evans is getting ready to write his exam, but somehow he manages to keep his hat with himself by saying that it is a lucky hat for him. At 8:45 a.m., Reverend Stuart McClary leaves his bachelor flat and makes his way across town to Oxford Prison, where the 2-hour exam is scheduled to begin at 9:15 a.m. So this person, Stuart McClary, is going to be the invigilator of Evans while writing the O-level exam. In his briefcase, he has got the sealed question paper envelope, authentication card, a paper knife, a Bible, and a copy of Church Times. So he is going to meet Evans at prison. So after Evans washes up, Jackson pays him another visit. He bought 2 tables and 2 chairs and placed them in the small cell where Evans stays. He orders Evans to take down his posters as his invigilator was a minister. Evans already knows that as it was written on the forms he had signed earlier. So the preparations were going on in Evans' cell. So he got this table ready and he was instructed to keep the posters away from the cell. Gesturing to the ceiling, Evans asked Jackson why he had to be bugged. And Jackson reminds him that the prison officers have to be extra cautious with Evans and that the governor himself will be listening in on the exam. And Jackson was always getting noticed through a microphone. So the governor wanted to know everything that is happening inside the cell. So there was an eye on Evans and his cell. So finally Jackson tells Evans good luck and he leaves the place. So it is now that McClary enters and he was followed by a prisoner officer and finally he met Stephens. So meanwhile the governor switches on to the receiver, the microphone that was kept inside Evans' cell. So he listens very carefully and he feels that they are overdoing things because they are very much afraid. But finally they are quite sure that Evans is kept in a very secured cell. Suddenly, the governor realizes something he has overlooked. It's not enough to confiscate potential weapons Evans might have and make sure he is securely locked in. So McClary could have knowingly or unknowingly brought something. So he has already made everything safe in Evans' cell. But now the governor also wanted to know what McClary has brought with him. So governor quickly orders Jackson to search McClary. So he is so particular and he asks Jackson to check or search McClary. So we'll see what happens in the next module. Thank you all.